Dear friends of AUA, since the launch of the 200 ChangeMakers campaign and the continued support of our mission to make a significant positive impact on people's lives, we have now established our 6 open centers of excellence. With a focus on solving real challenges and creating tangible solutions, the open centers aim to attract and support transdisciplinary knowledge, competence, and forward-thinking minds to AUA. The Open Centers of Excellence will engage students, scholars, researchers, and professionals by using their different perspectives to solve complex challenges. This collaboration must be built on trust in an open and inviting environment. We are confident that the engagement of public and private actors will result in a most needed transformative impact across all provinces in Armenia. The expected outcomes of the Open Centers activities are resilient solutions and prosperity for Armenia's economy, society, ecology, and culture. As we continue our journey, we call on you to join us and become one of the 200 ChangeMakers. This exclusive group of visionary philanthropists embrace the richness and potential of Armenia.
The Center of Excellence for AI Solutions aims to conduct research with artificial intelligence-based solutions to handle a variety of challenges in all sectors of our society. The center will collaborate with many IT industries in Yerevan and in the regions to bring together scientists and engineers and combine their technical skills, deep domain knowledge and creative insights to handle the most challenging problems. Through the use of cutting-edge computational tools, we aim to provide value-creating solutions in support of AUA's mission and contribute to Armenia's role in global AI revolution.
The Open Center of Excellence for Leadership and Governance showcases teaching, research, and outreach in leadership and governance. In the broadest sense, leadership refers to AUA education and research efforts that go to the political, economic, and social development of Armenian society and delivery of leadership ideas in global partnership. Governance refers to the stability and functionality of the public, private, and nonprofit sectors in structuring a peaceful and prosperous Armenian society full of opportunities for everyone.
The AUA Akopian Center for the Environment works to protect and restore the natural environment through research on sustainable agriculture, forestry, responsible mining, waste management, education and certification on environmental studies, and community outreach. We believe that human well-being requires environmental understanding in every social and economic decision we make. We focus on areas such as environmental policy, sustainable natural resource management, human interaction with the built in the natural environment, and support by forefront knowledge in information technology.
The COVID-19 pandemic vividly demonstrated the link between infectious and non-infectious diseases, the difficult balance between physical and mental health and economic prosperity, the importance of big data and artificial intelligence in new vaccine development. We invite you to be creative, use evolutionary thinking to come up with transformative health solutions to promote human well-being locally and globally.
Our startup is developing different AI audio and video technologies. It raised over $80 million funding from Silicon Valley VCs and valued $120 million today. 4 founders and most of the team located in Armenia. We still have 1,000+ large American companies among our customers. One of the primary reasons for this success was my knowledge of American business management and culture, which I got from AUA. Besides knowledge within my discipline at AUA, I also gained soft skills that allowed me to collaborate and work with people from different backgrounds and cultures. At CRISP, we are excited about AUA's new initiative of Open Center Excellence, especially the Open Center of AI Solutions. We hope to collaborate with this center to have in-depth partnerships with academia and be in constant contact with fellow students and alumni. This new center will also significantly contribute to the creation of new CRISP-like AI startups in Armenia.
The education at AUA is mind-changing. Quality education is not about the knowledge itself. It's about having a problem-solving mindset. It's about gaining soft skills and ability to identify and solve complex challenges. My education at AUA was one of the experiences that helped me start my new initiative, which is the Hokebanali Psychoeducational Program. Throughout 2020, we faced different challenges such as COVID-19 and Artsakh war. It became a threat for mental health of our population. As a public health and mental health professional, I was continuously thinking of ways to practice mental health education to provide support in these circumstances. Through collaborations with directors, my vision was realized. The project is not sponsored, it is on voluntary basis, where every person puts an effort to contribute and provide much needed knowledge to the general public.
Working in a collaborative space enables us to develop our ideas and work towards realizing our vision. We come from different fields, but we have similar goals in terms of developing Armenia through innovation and creative approach. This is where different perspectives help us combine to contribute to projects and reach success.
ChangeMaker, I think, is so symbolic, meaningful, and significant. The fact that AUA launched the ChangeMaker programs in 2020 on the backsplash of a global pandemic is why we decided to be ChangeMakers. This is an opportunity for us to be part of reimagining, recreating, and rethinking a world. So being a ChangeMaker is exceptionally important, and we selected AUA because education is the foundation for everything. It's what binds cultures and allows for growth and expansion.
Throughout my career, I've seen the importance of bringing multidisciplinary approach to solving problems. And you get the most innovation in the world with diverse thinking and perspectives, and it's really exciting to see the various excellence centers that are going to be established to really help the students and research professionals really bring some best of world thinking and thought leadership to the globe.
As we look at the value and importance of education along with the trends that we see in the expanding digital world, having a space where collaboration and synergy and those braiding of disciplines, like how does creativity braid well for the importance of artificial intelligence? When we think of the automated vehicle, what components of design, leadership, coding are required to make that be successful? And so when I think of what a ChangeMaker is, it's certainly a process. It's an important process that must embrace collaboration, creativity, and empathy at its core so that there is product market fit, inspiration, and value.
My vision for the future of Armenia is a secure, independent, and prosperous country. So the reason why I got engaged is I feel like in order to get there, we need to today start focusing on the right problems and to prioritize what we spend our energy on and to unify ultimately, because we're too few and too sparse to be able to do it in any other way. And so I think education is a pretty obvious and easy rallying cry for us to unify as a people and to focus our efforts because I can't think of any reasonable person who has any vision for Armenia that doesn't include a very deep investment in our education. A big chunk of our team from AUA in terms of their graduates. And so I've seen firsthand the quality of education and the output that AUA has produced. And that was really the spark. What inspired me to get more engaged since then has been not only the combination of what I've seen in terms of what AUA is capable of, but to think about what more is possible.
I think it's very important that we establish this interdisciplinary education for the students where they can tap into both healthcare and IT, business and IT, and create this sort of Renaissance student that has profound knowledge in more than one field that they're focusing on. I think that will create better leaders for our future, and it will give them the confidence that they need to tap into those other fields and prosper in those fields as well.
Embrace every opportunity that comes your way. Don't be scared of challenge. See it as an opportunity. Remember that practice makes progress, and every opportunity is one where you can be meaningful, impactful, and relevant.
Dream big. I think you cannot constrain yourself. Think globally act locally in your community to help, but think globally and dream big, and don't put constraints on yourself. Use the platform of AUA and the support as a change maker to help you break doors and inspire new thinking in the world and achieve excellence.
There's people all over the world who are going to be depending on you to not just follow through with your education, but then do something with that education. What I want you to know is that you're not alone. There's a lot of people here to support you, and that this is just the beginning. And that there's huge potential out there in terms of what you can do. Not just what you could accomplish for yourself, but what you could do for your country.
My message to the future change agents of Armenia is to create, is to innovate, to think out of the box. Don't follow the path everybody else is on. That might be the easier path, but a lot of the, more exciting, more impactful ideas and projects come from the ones that are just, the road less traveled.
The 200 AUA ChangeMakers are essential to us in preparing the next generation of progressive critical thinkers, entrepreneurs and leaders as change agents for a stronger Armenia. The students at AUA are ready to become change agents. We must come together, combine our strength and pull all our efforts into making their visions a reality.